Question number 4. Ashish deposits a certain sum of money every month in a recurring deposit account for a period of 12 months. If the bank pays interest at a rate of 11% per annum and Ashish gets 12,715 as the maturity value of this account, what sum of money did he pay every month? So, what are the things given? Ashish deposit a certain sum of money every month in a recurring deposit account for a period of 12 months. So, we don't know what P we don't know. Let P as P itself. For a period of 12 months. So, N is equal to 12 months. N will be 12 months. N is 12 months. Then, rate of interest R is equal to 11%. And Ashish gets, what is that? 12,715. 12,715 as the maturity value. So, MV is equal to 12,715 of this account. What sum of money did he pay every month? So, what we want to find out? We want to find out P. What sum of money? How much amount he is paying in every month? Understood? Maturity value is equal to formula. We know maturity value is equal to P into N plus I. Instead of I, replace it as what? P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So, write maturity value is equal to P into N plus P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So, replace this maturity value as 12715 is equal to P we don't know, P as P itself into N is 12 plus again P we don't know, P as P itself into N is 12. The next 12 plus 1 is what? 13. Directly we can write 13 divided by 2 into 12 into R is 11. 11 by 100. So 12 we can cancel. We can't cancel this since it is plus sign. Separate. So 12715 is equal to 12 into P. We can write it as 12P plus anything to cancel here. Just check it or multiply. So what will be the answer? Find out that second term.
143P by 200.
143P by 200. Okay, take the LCM, right side. LCM. Steps. Next is what? 2000. 2400P. Anyone tell me? 2400P plus 143 into 143P divided by 200 is equal to, tell me. No answer.
2543 by.
Okay, cross multiply, no? So this will be what? Left side. 2543,000, I think so. Then next is what? 2543 P. Both the 2543. So P is equal to 25431230 divided by 2543. So one time. So it will be 1000. So principal is 1000.
Yes, ma'am.
A man has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 3 by 2 years. So N is equal to 3 by 2 years. So we want to convert this 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. No, 7 by 2 years, which is equal
42
to
months.
1 year is equal to 12 months. So 7 by 2 years is equal to 7 by 2 into 12.
12.
It's the
42.
42 months. So which is equal to 42 months. Okay. So N we got. Rate of interest is 12% per annum, and the man gets rupees 10,206 on maturity. So maturity value is what? Rupees 10,206 on maturity. Find the value of monthly installment. So what is P? We want to find out. P we don't know. P has P itself. So how can we do this? Just write.
Ma'am.
Maturity value is equal to formula we want to substitute. So P into N. So plus, instead of I, we want to replace it as what? The formula. So P into
P into N
plus 1
plus 1
2 into 12 into.
by 2 into 12
Very good. So
into
R by
R.
100.
10,206 is equal to P. We don't know. So P as P.
Into
Instead of N, we can replace it as N.
42.
Okay, 42.
42.
P into
43.
42 also we want to write. 42. N 42 into N plus 1 is 43. Okay. N into N plus 1. So 42 into 43 divided by
2
2
into 12
R as 12.
12 by 100
100.
So this 12 we can directly answer.
12 and 12
Translation, you do it. Find out. 903P divided by 100. So LCM 42P can be written as 42P by 1. So LCM using Vedic maths.
03P by
103P
4200P plus 903P divided by 100. So 102
100
is equal to what?
5103P
103 divided by 100.
103P by 100
Cross multiply. No, cross multiply. Cross multiply. So 1020600 is equal to 5103P. So P is equal to 1020600 divided by 5103. Cancellation possible or not? Check it.
say 5
200, ma'am.
Answer. Okay. So cancellation possible. So which is equal to 200 rupees. Rupees 200. 12B, fifth question. Rishabh has a recurring deposit account in a post office for 3 years. So N is equal to 3 years. So how-
36 months
N is equal to 3 years means 3 into 12. So 3 into 12 is equal to 36 months. Then post office for 3 years at a R is equal to 8%.
7.
7.5
Not 8%.
No,
7.5.
7.5%.
Okay. Next it is 8%. 3 years at a 7.5% per annum simple interest. If he gets 8325. So what is that 8325? As interest, no. As interest. So I is equal to 8325 rupees. At the time of maturity, find the monthly installment. Monthly installment means we want to find out P and amount of maturity. So MB also we want to find out. So first what we want to do? Tell me anyone. I is to, okay. I is equal to formula is what? I formula. I is equal to P into N,
Into N into
N into
N plus 1.
divided by
2 into 12 into R by 100.
So
into
instead of I, we can replace
R by 100
5 is equal to P, we don't know. P into N 36 into N plus 1, we can write it as 37 divided by 2 into 12 into R, how much? 7.5 divided by 100. So cancel 2. No, 2 ones are 2, balance 1, 8 twos are 16. Then in the table of 3 possible. So 6 3s are 18, 4 3s are 12. Again, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Then anything to cancel? Just check it. 832.5 P divided by 100. Then,
Cross multiplication.
so 832.5 P is equal to 8325 into 200. No need of multiplying these two. Don't do that.
Then translate it multiply.
Equal to 8325 into 200 divided by what? 832.5. So it will be what? Into 10 into 10 we can do, no? Into 10 into 10. So 8325 into 200 into 10 is what? One more zero we can write here. Or otherwise write it as 0 itself. Then 832.5 into 10 is what? 83250. Remove one decimal place. So it will be 8325. Clear, no? 832. Yes or no? Any doubt in this calculation? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, no? So 8325 cancel. So 200 into 10 is 2000 rupees.
Percent.
Okay. 2000 rupees. Next, we want to find out the maturity value. No. Second question is amount of maturity. So formula is what? Maturity value M is equal to M
P into N plus I.
P into N plus I. Right now. So maturity value is equal to P into N plus I. P we got it as 2000 into N.
Ma'am, answer is 80325.
803.
80325. 80325 is
325.
into N. Here, wait. N is how much?
36.
36. Plus I
8325.
8,325.
25. So what about 2000 into 36 is how much?
7,000.
7,000.
7,000. 2,000.
32,000. No.
72,000.
Plus 3 zeros are here.
72,000.
36 into 2, 72. 8325. So final answer is what you told?
80325.
80. So maturity value is equal to 0325. Mohan has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years at 6% per annum simple interest. If he gets rupees 1,200 as interest at the time of maturity, find the monthly installment. Monthly installment means P we want to find out. Amount of maturity, that is MB we want to find. So start MB also we want to find out. So what are the things given? Tell me. Recurring deposit account. N is equal to 2 years. N is equal to
24 months.
2 into 12 is equal to 24 months. Then R is equal to 6%. If he gets 1,200 interest, so I is equal to 1,200 rupees as interest at the time of maturity. Find what P equal to P, MB also we want to find out. So P and MB. So which formula we want to apply first?
I.
I is equal to, okay, I is equal to formula P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So I substitute as 1,200 is equal to P as P itself into N 24 into N plus 1 is 24 plus 1 25 divided by 2 into 12 into R is what? 6. So 6 by 100. So cancel, find the answer. 1,200 is equal to 3.
No, that
This is correct, no? 1,000.
24 cut ചെയ്തില്ലേ ma'am?
24 and 12. 24 and 12. 2 times. 12 into 224. Then again this 2 and 2 cancel. Then 25 and 100 4 times. So finally you will get it. 1,200 is equal to 3p by 2. 1,200 can be written as 1,200 by 1. Cross. So instead of multiplying, We write 3p is equal to 1200 into 2. No need of multiplying that. Better write p is equal to 1200 into 2 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. So 2 zeros. So p is equal to rupees 4 into 2 800. P is equal to 800. Maturity value formula is what? Which formula we want to apply? Directly we can write now. P
into n plus I.
we can write since we have I. So P is what? 800. 800 into n 24 plus I is what? 1200.
20400.
204 message 2040. Okay.
00.
So what about this?
19200.
19200.
200.
So final answer is
200.
20400.
2400.
0400 rupees.
So maturity value is equal to 20400. Okay.